Beep.
Oh no, where are our cups going? Classy!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The rocket ship blasted off into outer space.
Beep.
When it got into space, the astronauts looked out their window and saw all the bright twinkling stars. And Earth, it looked like just a dot. The end.
Literacy! Wolf Jodi!
That was a good book, guys. Okay.
Yep.
It's time for bed. Mwah, I love you. Good night. I love you. Good night.
I hope I dream about going to outer space. That would be so cool.
Yeah, imagine if we could fly into outer space. That would be really cool. Good night.
Whoa, Lucas, we finally made it on the moon. Whoa. M-O-O-N, moon. Look at the pretty stars. Let's have a tea party. Oh no, where are our cups going? Oh, there's no gravity on the moon. Oh, look at the pretty stars. S-T-A-R. Before we go home, let's collect some moon rocks. Oh, there's some over there. Whoa, look at this. No one will ever believe that I went on the moon and got a moon rock.
Wow. I can't believe it. I actually made it to outer space. This is so cool. Wow, look at all the beautiful twinkling stars. That traveling made me really tired. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of a nap. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh no, I forgot. I can't lie down in outer space. There's no gravity. G-R-A-V-I-T-Y. That means that I'm gonna be floating everywhere I go up here. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna check out some of these planets. There's Mars, there's Neptune. What's the one with the ring on it again? Oh yeah, Saturn. But I think that it's not a ring like my ring. I think it's made out of rocks and ice. So I'm gonna stay away from that planet. That might be a little bit dangerous. Wow, this is so neat. I think I'm gonna go on and float around and explore. See you later.
Wow, look, tough guy. We actually made it to outer space. There's Venus, V-E-N-U-S, and Mars, M-A-R-S. Let's go check it out. Wow, we're actually in Jupiter. I always want to have a dance party in Jupiter. Let's dance. I'm actually getting kind of tired. Let's go back home now, tough guy.
Girls? Girls, wake up, wake up, wake up. Did you just have a dream that we...
Of space?
Yes?
I did.
Wow!
If you want to see how we made our outer space stuff, then check this out.